Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to install Telegram on desktop. So, let's get started.
Jack it up.
First, open a browser. And go to desktop.telegram.org. You can choose different versions: portable version and 64-bit version. I'll download 64-bit version, so click Get Telegram for Windows 64. Download it. Now, I'm downloading the file. It's finished downloading. So, open the setup file. Choose Program's language. After that, click OK. Choose destination location. I'll not change it. If you want to change it, click Browse. After that, click Next. You can select Start Menu folder. If you don't want to create a Start Menu folder, check Don't create a Start Menu folder. After that, click Next. You can also select additional tasks. After that, click Next. Click Install. Now, I'm installing the software. It's finished installation. You can check or uncheck Launch Telegram. After that, click Finish. It's all done. You can start massaging with Telegram desktop. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share.